So after over a year living without a microwave, I finally broke down and I bought one. This is smaller than the one that I had. And I like this one. It's a retro microwave. It looks retro. I like it. So I'm going to unbox it, take it out, and I like the blue. You know, they had red and black in the same microwave, but they were more. I don't get that. What's the color got to do with it? I don't know why it costs more, but I like that blue color. I really like it. Thinking about doing my redoing my kitchen some and putting some blue into it. I'm not getting rid of my cows, no way. But yeah, so I bought this microwave, and then I bought this Good Cook. It's a meat thermometer that I've been needing. So I finally went on and got one of those too. And so let me unbox this and we'll see what it looks like. I absolutely love this. It's small enough because I have a small kitchen. I live in a one-bedroom apartment, so my kitchen's not very big. So I absolutely love this. But I'm going to have to call Amazon. Look at this. The thing you set here at the bottom to turn this, it's broken. They're going to have to send me another one. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, it fell apart. Okay, well, I'm calling them. They're going to have to send me another one of these. Wow. Unbelievable. Well, the box looked like it was taped back up. It was damaged. But I don't see anything wrong with the microwave. So, yeah. Let me see. I love this, and I love the color. I love that retro look because I was a teen in the 70s. Oh my goodness. I think it was the late 70s when microwaves came out. So, I mean, I'm just getting tired of having to cook everything on the like TV dinners. You know, when I want a quick meal or, you know, melt stuff. It's just easier this way. And I have been missing my microwave. I had a big one, but this one is good. Alright. After over an hour on the phone with Amazon, and 4 people later, I finally got somebody to just send me this piece. The roller thing, whatever it's called. First person, all she wanted to do was refund me a partial payment so I can go to the, Gallons website and order another piece. I'm like, seriously? Why should I have to go through all of that? I got it from Amazon. Y'all should be honoring the extended warranty. You have 90 days, and then after that, the extended warranty kicks in. So I got aggravated with her. So I called back, got another guy. Well, the first one was, I tried that chat online. Whatever, I just called. I'd rather talk on the phone. Okay, so I called, and he was a smart butt. He wanted to do the same thing as her. He was like, we can't get the replacement part. They might send you the wrong size. And I'm like, wait a minute. You got a model number here. So that model number, the company will know what roller ring, it's a roller ring, that's what it's called, will go with this particular model. He's like, okay, well, what I can do is I can get somebody to come pick up the whole microwave and bring you another one. I'm like, why should I have to pack up the microwave and get a whole new microwave when I just need this part? I was getting very, very irritated. My blood pressure was raised. I said, why do I need an extended warranty if y'all aren't going to honor the replacement parts? I said, there's no way to show you a picture of what it looks like. It's broken. It fell out of my hand. I said, it came that way. So I get disconnected, or he either hung up on me. Well, before he hung up on me or I got disconnected, he said, you do know we are talking to Amazon, right? Oh, my goodness, Lord, forgive me, but I blew up. I said, excuse me, I've been a Prime member for a long time. I've been shopping with Amazon for years. I know exactly who I'm talking to. Oh, man, did I ever. It just really blew me up. But, so, after I get hung up or get disconnected or whatever happened, I call back. And thanks the Lord, I got hold of a very nice young man. He was very nice, very helpful. The other two didn't even want to call. The second one wanted me to call Galance, which is out of China, and talk to them about getting a replacement part. I'm like, I ordered this through Amazon. This is you should be doing this, not me. So I called the third time. He was very nice. And he kept apologizing for me being on hold a long time. But he called Galance. Then he called the parts and replacements department for me without me even asking. And I told him about the other two calls. And he said, I'm sorry that you had to go through that. But yeah, he was very helpful. Javan is his name. And so he got the guy on from Galance on the phone. I emailed him a picture of the broken part, and I don't have to send it back. I don't have to send the microwave back. And wait for another one, as the first two, the second one wanted me to do. He said, yes, you got it. Well, the warranty is 90 days, and then you got your extended warranty. So, yeah, we'll be glad to replace the parts for you. I said, so I don't have to send the microwave or anything back? He said, no. Just emailed him the picture of this, emailed him the receipt from when I bought this from Amazon, and he said they will mail it out on Monday. I'll get it by the end of next week. So, right now, all I'm doing is I just got the plate upside down. And if I need to turn the bowl or whatever's in there, I'll just turn it halfway through. But I really do like this microwave. I mean, look at this. This is just, you can put the time there. You can, got your time. You turn there. I'm going to read the booklet. You got your power level, defrost, weight adjustment, and then your clock preset. But yeah, it's a cute little microwave. I really like it. It's small, and I don't need a big microwave. And it's cute. I love the color. It's just so cute. And look, and it's easy to use. I don't like, My last microwave had all them gadgets on there. I never used them really. I didn't even know how to use them. It's too much. I just needed something simple. But yeah, after an hour with Amazon, my blood pressure, whoops. But I finally got it straight.